Dayforce, a global organization with over 10,000 employees. We provide and deliver payroll and workforce management solution in over 200 countries. Before Exabeam, we were using a legacy on-prem SIEM solution, which as legacy, that requires continuous software maintenance.
Our previous solution came with a lot of challenges, a lot of overhead, simply maintaining the solution itself. Moving to Exabeam was a major improvement in that regard.
As we approached renewal of our previous legacy SIEM, we knew we had to make a change. So luckily, Colin Anderson, our CISO here at Dayforce, recommended Exabeam. So one standout feature when we were piloting Exabeam was the UEBA, User Entity Behavior Analytics capabilities. Exabeam Analytics Engine was able to ingest vast amount of data and surface real threats with clarity and precision.
I think what really kind of sets it apart is the risk-based approach. We're not investigating every single alert that comes into the SOC. We're looking at an overall session, and we're only doing that when it reaches a certain risk threshold.
Exabeam Analytics has really stood out as a game-changing, changing the way our team operates. Now, instead of having to pull logs, then build timelines ourselves, which takes a lot of time, Exabeam provides that readily available, which cuts down the time needed to operate and investigate an alert from hours or days to just minutes.
Using Exabeam, we've been able to detect a kind of wide range of different insider threat scenarios. So this includes, insiders exfiltrating data, impersonating, somebody else, or using a fake identity. And the way that we were able to do this was actually primarily with Exabeam's built-in, or out-of-the-box rule set.
As the logs are coming into Exabeam, Exabeam is analyzing those logs at machine speed and immediately alerting our SIEM with any notable incident. With Exabeam, we've seen significant improvement in the signal-to-noise ratio. It's reduced false positive right out of the box, and elevated high fidelity alert that truly requires analyst attention.
Exabeam has really kind of simplified security operations for us. The fidelity of alerts that come in and that we review in the SOC is high.
I would recommend Exabeam to any other customer because of the quick return on investment.
If I were to describe Exabeam in one word, it would be game-changing.